Hey Joel! I've lost me mojo.
Is that an Austin Powers impression?
Yes. Oh wait. I found me mojo. Check out this beast. Do I got upside down? Okay. I found me mojo. You guys ready to crack it open? Wow, look at that. Look at that carbon fiber cone. Shoo-wee! Look at that orange basket. Did I smell it? Yeah. Joel, can you use your camera to capture all of its gloriousness? And then you gotta insert a video of Will Ferrell saying, glorious. He looks glorious. This thing's gorgeous. I mean, it's like everything you would expect from Memphis. There's the carbon fiber cone right there. Memphis has had nonstop requests to bring back the bold styling of the OG Mojo subs, and they did just that with this iconic Memphis Orange basket, or Davis Orange. The bold styling is also evident in the high roll surround and glossy carbon fiber cone. But these upgrades aren't just for looks. The surround is engineered for extreme excursion, giving these subs the ability to flex hard under pressure. And the carbon fiber cone stays stiff, responsive, and clean, even when it's running at full tilt. And there's a reason for the heavy-duty design. These subs handle 1500 watts RMS and up to 3000 watts peak. On the bottom of the sub here is a 300-ounce triple stacked magnet that delivers massive motor force, while the 2.5-inch voice coil is vented with Memphis's DVVC, or direct vent voice coil, cooling system to keep it running cool even under heavy loads. This sub also features Memphis's flex selectable impedance technology. This makes building systems easier than ever. So if you need a 1 ohm setup, all you have to do is take it from the 2 ohm plug and put it in the 1 ohm plug. Easy peasy. Flex your impedance, y'all. No rewiring, no guesswork, no performance loss, just a simple and easy to use jumper plug. These future-proof your install. If your customer wants to start with just a single sub, but wants to add an additional down the road, no problem. I don't care how much Joel made fun of me at the beginning of this video. These subwoofers gave me my mojo back, baby. But seriously, these subs are the true definition of old school styling with new school tech and just what everyone has been asking for. Available in 12 and 15-inch models and retailing for $700 and $800 respectively. If you're a consumer looking to get these installed in your ride, Davis recommends reaching out to a local car audio installer. They will get your system sounding just right. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or our latest podcast episodes. Got questions or comments? We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you guys next time.